go up in the trees or? Watch out for the trees. The size of that cypress tree.
Yeah. Look at the size of the knots on it.
Jeez.
Oh look, there's a bird in it. Up there. What bird is that?
It's a vulture. That's a massive tree. It's got to be 8 feet across diameter.
Oh, look at that angle. I have an arm span of around just under 6 feet. When I reach my hand like this, I don't even cover a portion of it. Maybe 1/4 of it.
Not even that.
It'd take 4 of me, probably more, just to reach all the way around this tree. It is so big. Hi. That's a big old spider.
This thing's probably at least 12 feet across. Stand up there next to it. You see the size of this thing.
I'm 5'10". This is me standing straight up. This is 5'10". Oh wow, look at this. Look, there's a little hole
Yep.
in the tree.
It's either a banded water snake or a brown water snake. Can easily be mistaken for a cottonmouth. You can see its head. Another brown water snake. Getting confused, water bandit, brown water. This one I believe is a brown water snake. A little bit smaller than the other one.
I think there's a snake in the water right there. Keeps going up.
No, it's just current.